Properties which have poor thermal efficiency are more prevalent than not. Is there time to make the change that the government has set out?
We have got to make the time. We know that buildings are responsible for 40% of emissions in this country, and the domestic sector is probably half of that. So it's not a case of is there time. We actually have to do it if we're going to hit those targets. We have the materials, we have the knowledge, we have the ability to do it. What we don't have is enough financial incentive and the structure in which to achieve that.
Is the Fabrick first approach the best solution in your mind?
Yes, it is. The best way of doing it, and this is generally accepted across the industry, is that you make the fabric or the envelope of the building as energy efficient as you can, which means putting in, for new build, you start with the fabric when you build it. With the existing buildings, we have to retrofit. That is more problematic, but we do know how to do it. And therefore, most definitely, a Fabrick first is the first step on this journey. We can add the more complex, high-tech and more expensive solutions once we've got the fabric of the building to the standard that we think is necessary. The recent publication that we supported, Installation for Sustainability, goes into a lot of detail about the different options and how you approach it. And it is important that you do things in the right order. We know that the government have a plan to get rid of all fossil fuel boilers and bring in heat pumps. Actually, heat pumps are one of the solutions, but they're not the only solution. And heat pumps will not work in all properties. You have to get the fabric of the building to a certain standard before the heat pump will be of value. And therefore, the assumption that that is a magic bullet isn't true.